In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Forms data into Excel in just about 5 minutes. This handy guide will take you through each step required to seamlessly integrate your Microsoft Forms responses with an Excel spreadsheet, making data analysis and reporting a breeze. First things first, let's dive into the wonderful world of Microsoft Forms. For those of you who may not be familiar, Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and polls and easily see the results in real time. But what makes it even more powerful is its ability to integrate with other Microsoft applications like Excel. Now, let's get started on the process. The very first thing you'll need to do is to head over to Microsoft Forms. This can easily be done by accessing the Forms homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account details, starting with your email address. After entering your email, you'll be directed to the next page where you'll need to click on Next. Now it's time to enter your password. Remember, this information is secure, and ensuring that you're entering it correctly will save you from the hassle of having to reset your password later on. Once you've entered your password, click on Next again. You will then be directed to the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your created forms are housed. From here, select the form whose data you're interested in exporting to Excel. Upon selecting your form, look for the option that says View Responses. Clicking on this will show you a detailed overview of all the responses your form has gathered. Now this is where it gets interesting. To get this valuable data into Excel, simply click on the Open in Excel option. This will download an Excel file containing all your form responses. But let's take a moment to understand why this is so useful. By exporting your Microsoft Forms data into Excel, you open up a realm of possibilities for data analysis. Excel's robust features allow you to sort, filter, and perform various calculations on your data. This means you can generate reports, create dashboards, and derive meaningful insights that can help in decision making or provide valuable feedback. Now, a few tips to make your journey smoother. Always ensure you're logged into the correct Microsoft account, especially if you have multiple accounts. This will save you time and prevent any confusion. Also, remember that the Excel file downloaded contains live data. Any new responses submitted will not automatically update this Excel file. To get updated responses, you would need to download the file again. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Microsoft Forms responses into Excel, all set for analysis. Whether you're a teacher analysing quiz results, a marketer gauging customer satisfaction, or a researcher collecting data, the integration of Microsoft Forms and Excel makes handling and understanding your data easier and more effective. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you make the most of Microsoft Forms and Excel. Happy analysing!